my dear students. Today is 20th July Wednesday namin so like susu na koi pazana yung regular way na sang na torong ganyan na khali homework ta submit ba khara budi yaure adubu most of you still are lagging behind ai tare submit torok trabanina you may be doing at home yung torong ba yai adubu like Toromagati and Ferry, those who want to get your notebook check, you can send it to the WhatsApp WhatsApp to the Tarakotum as usual, Hanatogo, Dugumna, Ayadum check Toroga, Sangumatamda, Kutatana Tragasuka, Matam Sangumatamda Toroke, and Raisa, Saduna, Nangi Homa Pigi with the question number 14 do Haita Yawi Yawa. Number 14 duma matang halase adu halla matungda class makha sathajika yaradra yare ka jinta yaraba yare ka adana yango question number 14 do nang hagi the kai hagi ba the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 have anatra 0 amasung 50 gi markta laiba odd number sing tenjalaga kaya tagadagian hangbane and we know that what are the odd numbers in the karino hange upasana natra kay ne have upasana yes kay have odd number have those numbers which are not divisible by 2 have natra 2 na yan ba yaba mas yada masing tumu ko ne kay kauba odd number hay na kawe natra aduna we can form an AP series ma ko na siyam bayare kay ginamit tamda then AP will be easily available. I'm not going to question number 14 the AP series is 1 3 5 7 49 and 49 the tam na take and tarba set kaya subatam na last subatam ni haraka doini ba maji 10 subatam ni 15 subatam to koi khang jinatra we need to find it and tarba set adune here we have kana relation of A is equal to 1 D will D will be 3 minus 1 equal to 2 and last term that is 49 clear kaya ko sa 49 subatam mok tin jalo hai na teba 49 bahok hai bane ko khena bse ka aduna akoina formula de sn puthokadori na the n gi bot khang value da ga wai na tra adu n puthona bo gi tutana kaina kai dore n tang gi formula sisina ga doi leba n tang gi formula di kana no sa a plus n minus 1 whole bracket d clear the a n je kana ne hai 49 lere a kana no 1 n की value hundred minus 1 d की value क्या no 2 from here we can easily find the values of n this one thang to ro we can learn this n minus 1 all bracket 2 49 minus 1 is 48 the 2 divide to n minus 1 so on dividing 48 by 2 how much you get क्या फंगनी 24 फंगनी the n की value से क्या होता है 1 will be transferred to the other side so with the changing of sign n will be equal to 25 clear अब ये कोई ऐसे के दौरे से 1 तक ही होगा 49 पाउ सीधा term क्या लाई है कि दोरीबा there are 25 terms का हाई पर 25 terms से tinjanar kanda kaya taga the gian hanga inika the taga di now we can apply the formula karamba formula now s and the formula chalo we also knew that Sn will be equal to n by 2 first break first plus last clear so 25 by 2 first term was 1, last term was 49, so it will be 25 by 2, this will be how much? 50. So 50 on dividing by 2, we get 25. 25 into 25 is 625. Clear? And therefore, what will be the answer? Conclusion that the sum of odd integers or odd numbers, odd integers between 0 and 100 is 0 and 50 is 625. This is your answer. Clear? Yeah, sir. Okay, Simon, note Torah, Sinjalo. Harbasima, Yarnika. Now your question number 14 is clear. Yarnika, there. Now read the next question, question number 15. Tinang to no question number 15 Paraba. Answer kan Paraba India Yarabo. Yarago to there. Okay, now going on question number 14, sorry 15 kya a contract on construction contract on construction ni kaina koina saba korpa building saba OBI yum saba OBI ka natragana sorok saba gi OBI thong sagi OBI the contract of the kaina koina mi hire to ka thabak sugu der mi sing se kana ba mana koista ha ga hai thika lor lo bu mudani ka so a contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay of the completion beyond a certain date. As for the first day 200 and the second day is that 250, third day that 300 and so on. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more than a preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty if he has delayed work by 30 days? Question contractor amada yandai ka thaba ama loina ba pireba yandai ka khudam moina contractor je bikini yang khalasi ka biki sida thong sana ba yandai ka sa si thong se biki nang saro na mana thong ju pitwe yandai ka sa si thong sana bo na matam sida yandai ba ka si thong sara ka doi ni ka si bikina sa ka doi ba thong ni aduga kasagi government sida kana no ne korong nam no we la se dai ka si thong sa ma tam sida e daura ba korong nam na biki da ha ba ai biki nang si thabak se hai ba chahi am si manung da loisalo aduna ba loisanda ka ta ga di sondha gi ba numit ki matung ina na koi da ga daure nang sakada penalty thiga da bani habni ka penalty habdi ke na fine thi badani ka thabak je suppose January ki tang kundal loy ga da bani haire khalas ka 20 January loy ga da bani ada man thab se loy ba ngam dren khalas se ba 21 July da January loy san gen khalas se ba ta di no ma thengda ba si ke dore no pasani fine thi ga da bani ba ganda ka adu minini thinda e khalasi 22 January the Lorraine Kalasi, then a Kaidore, in the minute thing there and tra, she tender of the bar 250 Tidoeva. So my thousand 23rd Loy Haragana, Katitare, Sahum Titare. And Arba, Sumaina, no Monomagism Sonda, you met in the Lopoyan Kayan Kalevoka. But I magi tabakto, as I biki tabakto, the Mikuntrani tender agadi. Schedule timing to the gi, the Mikuntrani tender agadi, Bikina Korongamda, Lupakia, bigger the gay happening. Jantai ka khange question ji jantai ka adu dane ga question se koi na AP gi form the one to se on ka You know? This is question number 15. So delete amount for the first day. How many key? Look at that, rupees 200. Nika, delete amount for the second day. Sini kaya tama ba? 250 ka. Saan sa karni and so on sa kita ni ka. Therefore, if you see kamala ani 200, 250, 300 sa kita ba. And dahil ka. Ato ka, n di values na kinano number of days. Delete ka. Hengda ki buto. We can think ki mana. That is n ni ka. N di value kan 30. Dan tambah sa. Angkat ra. Sini question na hayi ka. The mana hang isa ka s n hang ini. Then target B we have A की value kana le sa 200 le ne. B की value kana wa ni 250 minus 200 wa ni. Therefore it will be 50 and n is equal to 30. Clear? So tadi kita lagi SN putu hai bani ka. And we knew that when kari halam mein SN is equal to n by 2 whole bracket twice a plus n minus 1 whole bracket d. Study some of the first term and last term you puna pan me ya ka. Kaya na kanda last term ko na kaya no khang di. Yan darba khang da bani tu pan me ya ro na si pala ni nga. Na n की value क्या अनुसार 30 by 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 d is 50. So we get here 15. 2 into 200 is 400 plus 29 into 50. That will be how much? 15. 400 plus this will be how much? 9 5 is 45, 4 carry, 5 2 is 10, 14. So on adding these two, how much will be getting? 15 into how much? 1850. Clear? So you multiply these two. 500. 5 5 25 to carry 5 and 40 42 and 1 to 5 9 then 0 5 8 1 0 5 7 it should be 17 2 and what's that 500 5 5 25 to carry 5 at the 40 42 5 1 to 5 9 1850 so 0 7 7. Okay, clear. So your answer is 227,750. Now your write the conclusion here. So total amount to be paid total amount to be paid is rupees 27,750. This is your answer. Clear? Answer nga? Singa sinjala. And now let's go with the next question. Asang question na muli nga siya nga. Malang question number 16 to para. Yan tanda rabi yang nga. Isan yan tari bro si ba? Isan ka si boy mahirap kidere siya. Gando. Yeah, got it. Now, question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to the student of a school for their overall academic performance. If its price is 200 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the price. Nakoi class 10 dagi satra tare khankal en khalase endai ka satra tare khankal pase tare tu dagi ke dore nakoi bu ke da school da pekha tawliba kuding dagi natra sana kona bada overall yengaga cash price fee dore khara endai ka khankal iba satra sing se number 1 da masang to phajaba korong awa han khaleng khalase endai ka number 2 da wang chawa biki khaleng khalase endai ka adai number 3 dana masang to phajaba ka South Indian gi hero manba lamgan ba khaleng khalo endai ka adai nu pilak ta gi athoi bi malangam bi khaleng khalase adai ka mai to dana Jinita hoy Bindia hoy Upasna hoy na koi tare khaleng khalase bu sumaina endai ka hari ba tare khalak ko se sida punna school dagi lupa satre kai thoyebo endai ka kai thoyebo lupa satre se noi tare ta pi doini da pi ba se kamai to pi ge hamatam da mi khudi makri sab mana da pi deba endai ka first ta phangi ba mi duna dagi second ta phangi ba mi sina kai doraba lupa kya han thai haina lupa kun han thai haba endai ka adui tagadi satra na koi tare na phangi ba cash price ta kaya no habi question ji gan taraba tare ka ata jenga question da piri se kai no yang se nga angka nam da won to ga di kamai la ka di nga given the piri se SN is equal to 700 piri and tare ka n is equal to 7 piri and common difference is kaya na piri se minus 20 ni and tare ka kaya gina minus 20 le se less half हम तो suppose 50 फंगे खाला जिमन 30 फंग दोई नेबा तो 30 minus 50 ते क्या नो minus 20 तादरा अदमाइना कहीं को सीमा तो ताजेंगा सिजगी मतुंग इना पेना first term कना नो first term खंग तारगती second term कना नो third term कना नो सुन खंगी रोइट रने अदोना पुथोरा कदोई निका अदुनेंगा पुथोका तो इला कना नो सिदा A1 दगी हौरगा का A2 A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 का कोई तरह का मार्क क्या पंगे ना तो पिछा क्या पंगे है तो का तो होला से ना we knew that when करी करेंगे Sn is equal to n by 2 whole bracket twice a plus n minus 1 whole bracket d. So Sn is how much from the given question? That is 700. So 7 by 2 twice a plus n is 7 minus 1. D is minus 20. Clear? Steady and lock hang the button. I'm going to a katanga tra. Yes, you put off. I don't want to arrive with the Kaila at the game. She cross multiply hana tauto. So na kana kana le twice a plus ka minus ka position gardi we have minus 7 minus 1 is 6 into 20. So on si content na re we get 100, that is 200 is equal to twice a minus 120. So on the putora de kay le sa 200 plus 120 equal to twice a. Therefore, this will be equal to 320 twice a. So a would be 320 by 2. That is Canava 160. This is the first step. Then there you go. Same price quite you want to give to Canano, Koronga Manatra, Koronga Manaka Pangani, Pasam Pupangani. yan dai ka adugi matung da phang ka tawje kana ne ba biki natra adu biki duna kamai tawi hai gi hai ba phangi ba marks da gi natra cash price da gi dawre hai ba lupa kun kun han thagi hai ba natra adwaina a1 phangi auji a2 a3 a4 a5 tu sum pu thoki dawba ken da ba okay sibo han siloka makha ta ba sidina koi hot padi dum hai ge dawdi male yang se sido nakan sido hot toki angka duga punna singe chu siloka aduna pharane se nakan do sai sido hot kianga a2 kana ne hai ba a plus b natra the a di kana no 160 lere d na kana no minus 20 natra so it will be 160 minus 20 that is equal to 140 yani ko sa sum sange hot minus ka tension la kianga tagi 120 40 handara ga d 20 handara ka dai natra therefore se kya hoirani 120 hoirani a40 kana hoirani 120 minus 20 that is 100 a50 di kana hoirani 100 minus 20 that will be it so a6 will be how much it minus 20 that is how much 60 so last one the last winner will be getting 60 minus 20 that will be equal to 40 clear when the chhatra taretuna phangi ma to kana kana hoidena sa therefore conclusion the biro their cash price what are kana kana no sa 160 140 120 100 80 and sorry 80 60 and 40 respectively sekian tadi kak enggak baik ubang mau bayang enggak ya nekot tuh dia oke singkat sinjala Sidanangna sumilali se kamani bayani you have to add this all the numbers ka singai lona tinjanara ga 700 tabri yung ka the 700 target your answer is correct kan darba yare yang atu ding asi do homework piro roige yan darba aduga high question ngasi nainari ba 14 ne 15 ne 16 ne si question ahum je ka imda fajana amtang revise tok tho mung han ka aduga hangdaba gyan ta hodaba yargadi hangakpa hairpa yagani ka yadra tude parenga asigi disitalo chalase yum da fajana ngai na tekna laibo oyuka yare ka tude okay bye see you all in the next class